In the desert there's a cactus sharp and fine, standing proud while the thunder's drunk on wine. Drops of rain like secrets fall from the sky. Wonder if a cactus ever cries. Under neon lights where the tumbleweeds roll, city nights lost in a desert soul. Stars above like diamonds in the haze. Cactus dreams dusted in a moonlit race. Cactus in the rain, don't know your name. Spines like armor in this crazy game. Roots run deep where the wild winds wail. Cactus standing strong and never frail, stitching scars with whispers from the breeze. Cactus holds its ground with a quiet ease. Even in the storm it stands so firm, living life on its own strange terms. Thunder cracks, but it won't back down. In a splatter of raindrops, it won't drown. Nature's armor in a prickly crown. Cactus in the rain wears its thorny gown. Cactus in the rain, don't know your name. Spines like armor in this crazy game. Roots run deep where the wild winds wail. Cactus standing strong and never frail. Thunder cracks, but it won't back